Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and on a mission to continue to organize my kitchen drawers, I needed the perfect storage solution for my different wraps, my foil, my plastic wrap. Well, this wrap organizer from SpaceAid was the perfect addition to my drawers. This is the one that specifically holds two different wraps, so I use it for my foil and my plastic wrap, but it did come with other stickers, so you can use it for parchment paper or other wax paper, anything else that you might use more frequently in your kitchen. I really like that I don't have to worry about those boxes breaking and falling apart in my drawer, the rolls coming unraveled, but no, because it is in this organizer, the rolls stay perfectly together and nice and organized in my drawer. Now, I don't know about you, but I always found myself cutting my fingers on those perforated edges on the boxes. Well, not anymore. With this really smooth glided cutter, cutting my plastic wrap and my foil is so much easier and so much more stress-free. I don't have to worry about my foil ripping halfway down the sheet. I also don't have to worry about my plastic wrap getting stuck to each other as I'm trying to fumble with the box. But using this just makes wrapping my food so much smoother. It is an awesome thing that I didn't know I needed until I had it. So if you're ready to stop fussing with boxes of foil and plastic wrap and have it really nice and easy to use, then check out this wrap organizer from SpaceAid. But that's just my point of view.